The Logitech G502 Hero wired gaming mouse is all about precise control and flexibility, perfect if accuracy matters most during intense gameplay. Firstly, the Hero sensor stands out as a high-precision tracking technology designed specifically to deliver up to 25,600 dpi without smoothing or filtering. This means every move you make in games translates exactly as intended on your screen, no lagging behind or misinterpretations of movement commands. The precision provided by this advanced sensor is crucial for those who need absolute accuracy, whether it's aiming at targets with pinpoint control or navigating complex maps and environments smoothly without any loss of detail. Next up are the customizable features that set the G502 Hero apart from other gaming mice on the market today. With 11 programmable buttons, you can assign specific actions to each button according to your needs, be it macros for repetitive tasks in games like MOBAs or single-button shortcuts for quick access during intense moments of gameplay. The dual-mode hyperfast scroll wheel further enhances this experience by allowing swift navigation through menus and lists with a flick. This feature is particularly useful when you need rapid adjustments mid-game, ensuring that your focus remains on the action rather than fumbling around to find what you're looking for in settings or inventory screens. One standout aspect of the Logitech G502 Hero is its adjustable weights system. It lets users tailor grip and balance according to their preference, whether lighter for speed during fast-paced games, heavier for stability while executing precise movements over extended periods, or somewhere in between based on personal comfort levels throughout play sessions. This customization ensures that no matter how you hold your mouse or what type of game you're playing, the G502 Hero feels right at home. For those who appreciate aesthetics as much as functionality, LightSync technology offers customizable RGB lighting options through Logitech's software interface. These lights can sync with other compatible devices from their lineup to create a cohesive look across multiple peripherals used in your gaming setup. While this feature might seem minor compared to performance aspects like tracking precision and button customization, it certainly adds value for gamers who enjoy personalizing the appearance of their gear. Mechanical switch buttons are another key component that enhances user experience with crisp clicks every time you execute an action during gameplay without delay or hesitation. This responsiveness is especially important in fast-paced games where quick reflexes can mean winning battles and securing objectives ahead of opponents relying on less responsive input devices. Durability also sets the G502 Hero apart from many competitors, promising reliable performance through its wired connection that eliminates wireless lag issues entirely. In scenarios requiring pinpoint timing such as first-person shooters or real-time strategy games, the absence of latency guarantees consistent control over your character's movements and actions at all times without interruptions. Before making a purchase, though, it's important to verify details on Amazon's product page regarding current pricing, stock status, shipping options available, since these factors might have changed from previous checks. Ensuring you get the most up-to-date information helps align with what fits best in your gaming setup needs now rather than later when conditions may differ. So if the Logitech G502 Hero sounds like it could enhance your gameplay experience through precision tracking and customization options, checking those specifics first before buying ensures every detail matches perfectly to guarantee an optimal performance awaits once you start using this mouse for serious play sessions.